It's Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance, and we are your interior house painters, Melbourne. And in this apartment, we have been requested to give the place a full paint from ceilings to walls to skirting boards to architraves to all cupboard doors. And in this case, the customer is removing the carpet and they'll be placing new carpet down. So we cut the carpet along the edges to make space and allow for plenty of room between our brush and the skirting board, so that when the new carpet goes down, there is no gap and there's no space that we have missed between the skirting board and the bottom of the carpet. This place had some repairs that needed to be done. The ceiling was flaking a little bit above the shower, and the holes in the wall needed to be repaired. There was a number of pictures that were taken down from the walls that left holes after the hooks were removed. And we painted the interior and exterior of the kitchen cupboards to bring them up to scratch. It had been a long time since they were painted. And we also continued to repair some of the walls around the rest of the place. And it wasn't in terrible condition, but it was a long time between paints and the colors had changed a fair bit. There was some marks on the walls that we needed to address, and we went about doing all the preparation in the first few days, and then we started painting. The doors got sanded fully so that they could have 2 coats of semi-gloss enamel, and they were quite a fair bit yellow by this stage. White doors tend to do that. They tend to go yellow after a period of time, and they need to be freshened up. The walls were painted a different color from the doors, and then there was the bathroom and the laundry, which was also a different color, and the client wanted us to bring everything in line. So we painted the ceilings in Dulux Natural White. We also painted the walls, doors, skirting boards and architraves in Dulux Natural White. And we found a couple of little bits of repairs that were quite nasty that we needed to attend to, and we did that also with a couple of coats of plaster, and then some top coat, and then some sanding. This is the after video. We have now completed all the painting, and the place looks nice and fresh and clean. All the colors are exactly the same. There's 2 coats of Hames Premium Low Sheen on the walls. There's 2 coats of Hames Semi-Gloss Enamel on the doors. Look how much they shine, they're amazing. The ceilings have been painted in Hames Ceiling Flat, and the place just looks nice and fresh and ready for the new owners to move in. And also done on time and before the deadline that the customers gave us, because they're having the carpet layers coming in a couple of days after we have completed our part of the job. So this place looks amazing. We've gone around and cleaned the place to make sure we didn't leave any paint splatters on the floors or any of the other surfaces that wasn't meant to be dirty. And we cleaned up our mess and we took away the rubbish that we left behind. We used the carpet, old carpet, as drop sheets. That's why it looks so dirty at the moment. We rehung all the blinds after we had taken them down to get to the window frames properly. And we are going to leave behind some of the paint so that the client has a sample of the paint that was used, and also so the client is able to do any touch-ups should they need to when they move in their furniture, in case they accidentally damage some of their walls. Now this place is looking amazing. We are so happy to have been asked to get this job done, and painting somebody's house inside in the middle of winter is always a lovely thing. If you're looking for a painter, go ahead and check out melbournecitymaintenance.com.au to see some of the work that we've done. Call Bill on 0403 162 04, or just Google us and find us on Google and read our 5-star reviews. We have over 40 5-star reviews at this point in time, and we'd be very happy to come past and give you an obligation free quote and give you a bit of information about how we might go about applying some paint, amazing paint, to your property, whether it's been lived in, whether you're just renting it out, or whether you've just bought it and are looking forward to moving into it.